ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's YouTube channel Wanderum 2.0. Good morning from Nichnai campsite of KGL. Day 2 started with a cloudy weather.
We are making chai. Taj Mahal, wherever you go, Taj Mahal.
I have made chai in Pahad for the first time. Guys, review on my chai.
It's 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5. How
Not
is it?
not that
4
bad.
out of 5.
Oh.
Not that bad. But based on the condition, it's actually better.
This is DIY and this is natural cleanser. But take it. It's mud. So you need to take some mud. Water would be extremely cold.
Yes, finally, sun is out and we are good to pack our stuff, leave for our next destination.
Welcome to our DIY series with Baithalu, who is making food, organizing DIY with all of us. What is being cooked?
Pindi chana.
Pindi chana and
And then
rice.
please don't look into
It is
this.
basically what? Kheer. Weather is changing again.
By today, we have almost learned to pitch our tents, removing and packing properly. Altitude of Nichnai is 3662 meters and we need to go in that direction.
We are all set to go for our secondary destination. Our team is getting ready. It's about 11 kilometers today and around 3.5 kilometers of ascent, and after that it'll all about flat terrains. Team told us to get up at 6:30 and move ahead because once it is sunny, the 3.5 kilometer ascent, it will be more difficult. But so because of our DIY, we need to cook, and so we got delayed and we have started around 8:30, and we could feel sun is too much, sunstroke is too much. It's hitting on your all body parts, and we are unable to move forward. We can see the difficulty. Very hot, and it's just half a kilometer I have covered till now. Chalo, let's see at what time we will reach. Aim is to reach there by 2 o'clock, but when we start at 6:30, but we have started at 8:30, maybe we will reach around 4 o'clock. So we want to see Vishansar views very properly. Glucose is mandatory that you mix up with cold stream water. Ascent is real tough. It's killer. It is good for the people who love adventures, but if it is too sunny, it's killing it. This is a separate way for all the mules. It's been 1.5 hours. The way from there to here is really challenging. It's challenging not because of the terrain, it's challenging because of humidity, sunstroke. After around 2.10 kilometers, I can see a dhaba there where you can get the minimum resources like Maggi, tea and everything. This is killer, man, killer. It's fun, and at the same time the sun is so hot, but it's a bit challenging, but we have to.
Here is the first Maggie point in day 2.
Again ordered Maggie and some coffee. How is coffee?
Good.
This place is so heavenly. One can spend for hours looking at the mountain views.
So we are descending now, and entire gang is here. This descending is much more easier than what we have thought. There are multiple glaciers. This is just a flat terrain. I'm just loving it. This way is so beautiful, very scenic, like a portrait. I was talking to a person from Tamil Nadu. We met on the way, and trust me, I've crossed around 2 kilometers while talking. We kept sharing our trekking or mountain experiences. After 5.8 kilometers, we can see one more tea house. If you want to grab anything, you can grab. That's the tea house at 5.8 kilometers. Everyone will open their lunch boxes and have it here before proceeding further to the campsite too.
This stream water is extremely cold and extremely tasty. We have played a game. Who is going to keep their feet in the water for a longer time?
Expressions are changing now. अरे आप लोग सच में रखा? Expressions are, oh my God, they're like. नहीं है नहीं देखो गाइस चुई It's so painful. अरे निकाल रे फ्रीज हो गया नहीं मैं नहीं निकालूंगी हाँ नहीं सेम ही होता है टिप्स का होता है फीट का नहीं निकाल रहे How are you feeling today? She's the second person to reach today. Yay! And our campsite is there. Today is a bit like leisure day, you know? Yes. Flat. Babita can do it. She's the first person to reach the campsite today. She did a really, really good job. And my brother is still there. Because of that, she reached early. Chalo, Babita, swag. Yes. 9.16 kilometers within 4 hours we have covered, and we have ascended for 468 meters today. आप कितना जल्दी पहुंच गए इधर? कितना 2 घंटे में पहुंच गए आप? हाँ, हम 4 घंटे में पहुंच गए. Chacha ji is coming early every day making our tent. We are making our own dry toilet. We are making broccoli soup. We are making chai, brother and sister together. Chai preparations are happening at the level 2 of KGL. ये हमारे पास filter नहीं है. We are doing some जुगाड़. क्या करते हैं?
Meanwhile, Jay wanted to play some tricks to throw Chui into running water stream.
All going to take a bath in one of the lakes of KGL. क्या कर रहे हो? ओह, ये किसको भी लगाओ ना, बबीता को. नहीं जा रहे. It is a tornado or some sandstorm, but actually the sheep are coming down the hill. Around 1000 sheep must be there. The lake is just wow. People are making reels. Crazy, yaar, crazy. The worth walking this. Swim karo. Jai is having fun in Vishansar Lake.
Trust me, you don't believe, next to Vishansar Lake you see many dead bodies and skeletons of horses and mules. Our camps are surrounded by thousands of sheep. Playing with them is a much needed stress buster. I see smoke coming from one of the homes. I went to check what it is. Basically, this is the fire pot made using dry sheep's poop.
Kangdi, fire pot of Kashmir.
This is Kashmiri farming of leafy vegetables. We are making dal. It smells so nice.
That's all about our journey towards Vishansar Lake. I hope you had fun watching as much as we did. If yes, wait for my next video. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Bye.